Laki cukai damtang. Orkan tia konstituensi long laki make Bangalore kan thekong lo. Orkan tia konstituensi long Muslim population inut tawe edon tawe laki pusing miapi kung side lo dadak mas joining ke. Laki BJP tu mampu cubai kalilang ma. Anda kitu BJP tu mata laki kapa cubai laki fake mas joining ko anda ko. Lasi BJP tu kap here ko. BJP tu keman make ya corruption akam kekem dia policy la municipal election and town committee election das dia hai. Kini abang kada Ambani lapan Adani tumbhan. Tak longley ka chujo are. Tak is 6 schedule ka tengpan constitution ka tengpan autonomous council ng fund ka bilang kali bonlo. Kedang tang 1951 kan sabi. Pahera angka menkewan kuno ni Ambani Adani tuma astim ma bepin tangka paisa bepin betamen tuma karbiang long ile tum cinkur kon bonlo. Kam claim kon bonlo. Ambani lapan Adani wede cinkur thai pumarada. Ako 18,000 bighas solar project apan nongle ki pita ho. Ambani apan 9,000 or 600 bighas nongle ki pita kutia kamu lage. Laka nongle ka jujur apan. Development apan kali. Karan ki piun ma non tim karbengong BJP atum. Dat jong se Ambani Adani atum pan. Dat jong se wan lo protang ka 100% job BJP atum risk yanun ma. Yanun ne. Kasi lahai ke dak ke tu indigenous ada tribal satu pan. Iplung je pan, eviction ke kami pan sila ke. Lahai ada sai ke deng. Kasi tining non epong lang ke Ambani tahai, Adani tahai. Next omat pan lowan koloni lada. Lahai pan si dak ke tu pan lang ke ili ka chupitia long le phelang long ma ke eviction akan nang lem. Lapen number 3 bang ke ili tum kopi lada ini ke jesong pan ke. Creation of autonomous state under Article 244A immediately. Kasi labang ke 1960, 1955 along kano lah masuk autonomous state itu ke song ke. Jipya Assam along ke do inglong asotu. Ala sot hill state ke hang ahu. Jong si ili kumali daratum ta. Jong si do hoidum dek posol te hadi. Hal nona tenga situation ke leje kono. Seta bang halak khasiat tum, jentia tum, garo tum puno, naga mizo tum puno hedi. Nonan ta jong si Assam long si dolang pulotang deh, il tum pena hipik lang atum deh. Seta nona bang kya, halak tumangnya bang, mitang Assam mencekat lah lo, halak tumangnya bang, non bang edo kita atau itu bang develop di puno deh. Langsung nataksi Article 244A itu harang gitu pipon ke lagi, il tum kya hang kat kali, lagi constitution lo segitu. India Constitution was secret. And those who oppose this Article 244A, the demand of autonomous state by the people of Karbi Anglong and Dimashao, then they are anti-Indian, anti-constitutional people. Because Article 244A is written clearly, it is mentioning clearly in the Indian Constitution. So if anyone is against the demand of autonomous state, or if anyone is against the demand of the people of Karbi Anglong Dimashao, then they are anti-Indian. They are anti-Indian because we are demanding what is in the Indian Constitution. Itong the Indian Constitution we are not demanding outside the Indian Constitution. We are not demanding sovereignty. We are not demanding independence. We are demanding what is written in the Indian Constitution. Then why those outsiders, they are against us? If you don't like us, go get out from here. If you don't want to see the demand of our people, then you can go out from here. Because we are demanding what is written in the Indian Constitution. The mistake is committed by our leader in 1969. Because when the government of India, when they have a plan of state reorganization in Assam, then the Indian government, they have asked the leader of Karbi Anglong and Dimashao to join the hill state, that is Meghalaya. But the mistake is our leader, that we opt to stay in Assam. And we feel betrayed now. Now the same hill tribe people, the Khasi, the Jantia, or the Garo and the Nagas, they are far more developed than us, leaving us behind. Whose mistake is that? The Assam government, they have promised us to give autonomy. What kind of autonomy is that? Huh? What kind of autonomy? They didn't give us anything. Huh? When we are demanding our right, that is written in the Indian Constitution, they shoot us with a bullet. Huh? They took our blood. They kill our innocent brother and sister. This is the autonomy that is given by the Assam government. This is unacceptable. And we will fight. We will fight against the government also. We will demand what is written in the Indian Constitution, because we know that the struggle that we have been doing is not against the Indian Constitution. We are not demanding against what is outside the Indian Constitution. I repeat again, we are not demanding what is outside the Indian Constitution. We are demanding what is inside the Indian Constitution. And that Article 244, a autonomous state must be created as per the Constitution of India, with paragraph 20 of the 6th Constitution of India. Lahilo cuma demand, asal lahai itu nggak kira nih ya mali. Autonomous state yang kira kita apa kam lagi mali. Jong si komane ini tuh autonomous state yang hang bang, jong si nangalang state bang do protokte, lagi anti Indian law, and latung si anti India law, latung si anti Constitution. Constitution kacini nih tuh. Those people who don't know Indian Constitution, those people who don't know about the Constitution, they are against our demand. I said clearly. Saya directly katakan. Jadi lalu pasti lahai alamnya sih kan ini berulang. Pasti lahai Article 244 apa curi produk teh. Lapen itu inglong masuk ke mana longlen nanti chip ini sih siapa jadi produk teh. Lapen municipal election ada acara election itu, arwana teh peruji produk teh. Tak non kacari bom tim kar benglong kacepong BJP RSS government kan itu aklona tu. Jadi tum kar benglong orang tum lah reject aku. Non angkele ja election bangke MLA election punon, MEC election punon, MP election punon, la bangso BJP apa bangke tanjong sor nangku. Akan dah bela lah BJP tum thana kan dekhi kan. Corruption no keklem bodan itu lo. Are acici caca akta my scheme lo ada corruption yang munda. Kontraktor atau bilang mana? BJP long ke dot tu masih kan ingri non ke. Inu tak full nang posar nang ke song kita. Bil ke long ini panen ke song kita. Rason nang kamar nang ke song kita. Are amen na murid panen ta yung si Jepang reng tekte program dela sorkar ke kipoji akka masih belum nang ke. Tasi karbiang long ada panen le kacuni kan tu hello BJP government lo si dopom program te mokeli tum ke dua hemon nang chila bila. Ili tum ke dua long le nang chila bila posi. La bangsa BJP akan ke non epangiran jilangan di pada bangke, ili tumbangke reject dan kolak kan ke la so BJP akan ke tumbangkan angkura pelang untuk hilang si parti nanti. Lalu, jadi langan sampai sini ya, thank you.